Okay, so now we are in Tastyworks. This one is pretty simple. You click on watch list at the bottom, and then at the top on the drop down arrow, we're going to look for, you have your own personal watch list here, but what you want to look for is Tasty, because they construct watch lists based on some of their traders, which is pretty cool. You want to go to Tasty IVR, implied volatility, and you can go to this little gear and you can set it up similar to how I have mine. You can add any type of other numbers that you want to see. Some of these you may not know what they mean just yet, and that's absolutely fine. We're really just focusing on the scanner, so we're just doing one educational topic at a time, and right now we're just working on trying to scan or look for opportunities in Tastyworks. So these are the ones that I add, the categories that I add: the last price that was sold, the net change percentage, the bid, which is the highest that any particular buyer is willing to pay, the ask, which is the lowest that any particular seller is willing to sell for, the IV rank, the IV percentile. Those are the numbers that we're looking for. The higher they are, the more opportunity there is. And these numbers, in these particular forms of IV rank, of implied volatility, these will give you the implied volatility of any particular symbol relative to itself. So just because it's the implied volatility is high doesn't mean that it's high relative to itself. So that's where IV rank and IV percentile comes in. It lets you know if that implied volatility that you're seeing is high relative to itself. Beta is this number. If it's a 1.0, then that means that the symbol trades just about as equal as the market does, as far as how much it swings in terms of volatility. So a number above that means it's going to swing more than the normal broad market, and the number below 1.0 means that it doesn't move or fluctuate quite as much as the market does. Okay, so that'll help you there as well. You want something that's not a really high, fast, off the wall mover, then go with something that's low beta. But anyway, I didn't mean to get into all that, but I just wanted to show you how to set this up. You click these 4 lines at the top to get back to here. And remember, we're looking for something that is $20 or more. So, we got quite a few options to choose from. You could also, you can sort them. This is another thing that I like. You can sort them based on IV rank, in ascending or descending order. Same with IV percentile, to help you decide which one you're looking to invest in. You can also sort them by bid, which one is the cheapest, and then you can start from there as well and then just scroll over. So that's Tastyworks, and now we will move on to Webull.